Looking for a budget-friendly ride? In this video, we'll explore how and where to purchase a used bicycle, ensuring you get the most value for your money. Step 1. Start online. Explore reputable websites like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Kleinanzeigen, or specialized cycling forums. These platforms often have a wide selection of used bikes at affordable prices. Step 2. Do your research. Once you find a potential bike, research its make, model, and year. Look for reviews and check if there are any common issues associated with that particular bike. Step 3. Arrange a meeting. When you find a bike you like, set up a meeting with the seller. Always meet in a public place during daylight hours for safety. Step 4. Inspect the bike. Check for any signs of damage or wear, including the frame, tires, brakes, and gears. Spin the wheels. Test the brakes. And shift through the gears to ensure everything is in working order. Step 5. Verify the serial number. Confirm the bike's history by checking its serial number. Make sure it's not reported as stolen and the seller has the proper documentation. Step 6. Negotiate the price. Be prepared to negotiate, but do so respectfully. Point out any issues you've noticed during the inspection and use that as leverage for a fair deal. Step 7. Seal the deal. Once you've agreed on a price, make sure you get a bill of sale from the seller. Congratulations! You're now the proud owner of a budget-friendly used bicycle. And there you have it, your perfect new second-hand ride. Remember, with a bit of research and careful inspection, you can find a great bike without breaking the bank. Happy riding!